I think as a retailer and a marketer, you need to be projecting your brand across multiple platforms, because we're in the day and age where consumers are looking at lots of different places and at times across lots of different platforms. And if you're not upfront and present on all of them, you're not going to get found and you're not going to get discovered.
See, I think in today's world, nobody can have a preferred marketing platform, because marketing platforms are actually a fast-moving target. You really don't know what the next big thing is or the next popular thing is. So the best way to look at is you should have a preferred customer base and move with the customer. So wherever the customer is moving, automatically your platform needs to move with them or move before them.
Well, I wouldn't dissociate the two of them. Now, any marketing will require, making the best out of the technology. But if you move a bit fast forward, to run new use cases, new applications, new capabilities, then the technology will offer. So maybe we can talk about the Internet of Things, where you can have, various sensors across your solutions, your offering, and have better ways of measuring how your product is used, or use this information to create better experiences, or simply optimize your entire cost base.